எந்த டேட்ல யாரோட பிக்கப் டெஃப் பிக்கப் எவ்வளோ பேஷண்ட் அசீவ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அது மாதிரி நாளைக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸல்லே போட்டுட்டு டேட்டு மண்டே டியூஸ்டே
come Akshada Excel dova
Alina WhatsAppல டைப் பண்ணுவாங்க எக்ஸல்ல டைப் பண்ணுங்க
two people required in this okay
இல்ல அத வந்து நீங்க ஃபைலஸ்
Nandana go and get the one instrument is remaining in the optical shop go and get that tell that Ramachandran he will give or box folder idu I come go get it fast okay you come ma
நான் சொல்றது என்னன்னா
finish work நீ வர பேசன் போல
டேட் கண்டு இப்ப ஒவ்வொரு டேட் மண்டே டே போடு ஒரு வாரம் அப்புறம் ஒரு வாரம் ஒரு கேப் அடுத்த வாரம் ஒரு கேப் இப்போ 2-3 வாரம் அப்போ மண்டே டு சாட்டர்டே மண்டே யாரோட ரெகுலர் கேஸ் என்ன கேம்ப் கேசஸ் அப்படின்னு போட்டிங்கன்னா கேம்ப் கேசஸ் டெஃப்னு போட்டு அடுத்து நம்பர்ஸ் ரெகுலர் ரெகுலரில் ஒரே அந்த நம்பர் மட்டும் தான் பண்ணுவாங்க யாருக்கும் தேவையில்லை இல்லை ரெகுலர்லேயும் உங்களுக்கு வாக்கிங் பேசிஸ் வரும் கேம்ப் கேசஸ் வரும் அப்படின்னு பிளான் பண்ணால் ரெண்டாக பிரிச்சுருங்க உங்களுக்கு புரியுதா நான் ஒரு பேப்பரில் எழுதி உங்களுக்கு அப்போ ரெகுலரில் எனக்கு நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ புக் பண்ணணும் நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ புக்கிங் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க உங்கள் பிளான் பண்ணது ஃபஸ்ட்டு காலத்தில் எவ்வளோ அந்த நேரத்துக்கு வந்து பிளான் பண்ணுறீங்க பிளான் பண்ணணும் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் மண்டேனா நம்ம எவ்வளோ சர்ஜரி கொடுக்கலாம் டாக்டர்ஸ்க்கு அது வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் காலத்தில் இருக்கணும் அதுக்கடுத்து ஆக்சுவலி என்ன நடந்திருக்கு எவ்வளோ உங்களுக்கு கால் ஃபிக்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கு அந்த மாதம் அது அப்பப்போ வேறத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை அப்டேட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா போதும் நம்ம முன்னாடி போட்டோம்ல ஆரம்பத்தில் போட்டு கொடுத்தோம்ல அதை மட்டும் ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட்டில் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புகிறேன் அது பாருங்க அதே மாதிரி போட்டு
I have shared an YouTube link actually join that okay Hello.
Sir.
I have shared a link actually join on that because I can show video on that only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Totally, how many optometrists are there total? Vanessa, how many optometrists are there total?
No.
Like students, fellowship and interns?
30.
Huh?
30.
This you can join and keep it like that only, no need to see that, you can see directly here, okay? Okay, shall we start? So we will start with the this thing IPD measurement. So this is the IPD instrument actually. So in this what you can see here, this is for the OD and this is for OS. Okay. So you can see here, this will be the total number, total PD, and this is separate for the OD. This is separate for OS. Okay. And this is the knob where which you adjust that, increase and decrease that. How to do? I'll just show you. Can see for this for this eye and this for left eye, this for the right eye. Okay, what you can see this image, this picture, this is for infinitive. That means when you're measuring the distant PD, it has to be like this. When you measure the near PD, you can change according to the distant. Like mostly we'll go with the 40 centimeters approximately. So 30 to 40, 35 to 40 centimeter, we have to go for the near. And if you're measuring the distance, you have to put the infinity symbol. Okay. I'll just show you how to do that. Just see carefully this. Okay. So for this, we will make it either way like this or close like this, and we will see the inside what we can see. You can see this one line is there, no? That line we have to align the people of the center. Okay, just get that. You first show that how we are putting that. Okay, just show this particular portion has to go in the nose. Okay, this will be down, which is the numbers are there, which will be down. Okay, and this portion will be up. Here we can select for the right eye alone and left eye alone. That means one side is getting blocked, and if you put in this together, both days we can see here. Okay, so this portion will be up and number portion will be down because this has to rest in the nose. Okay, so it will be like this. Resting position will be like this. Now you just come and focus here. Okay, come. Go there, close. What you can see there, no, the line, black line is there, no, that we have to align the center of the people. Okay, so just see that. You just rotate this line. Okay, this bottom. Okay, down. Okay, I'll just hold this. You can see the right and left, but I'll just focus one eye to make it clear. Okay, touch the screen once. Now rotate the down. Okay, just move the black portion down. That other one is too much. Okay, you just align in the center. Yeah, now you can see this. Now this is center of the people, what you can see here. Okay, now if you move the other eyes, we have to same thing, we have to align in the other eyes, which you can see that now, right? So just move that right side, center of the people. You can see the line is moving here and there. You can just see it's too much inside. Now this is perfect. And this is the right side is misaligned. Now you see the right side. Yeah, this is perfect. Now when you take this, now this people center is there. When you take the reading, now this particular patient, what you can see, the 26 is right eye and 31.5 for the left eye. So total PD will be 57.5. Okay, this is the way you have to measure the PD meter. This is the with PD meter. And when you do with the scale, what you have to do for making the scale PD, what you have to see here, hold like this. Your mobile uses on. Give me that. So you hold it like this. Okay. You focus from here, this here like this. Okay. So here what we can see how to measure in the scale means this is the nose, we have to put it properly here, and then the reflex what is showing here, we have to make the straight line like this, which number it is there. So you can just see here around, this is around more than 25, less than 30, but it is around 27 it is showing, 27 here. The right side what you can see here, manually you can see that it is around 25. So and this what we can see here in the manually for her we measure here, it is the showing 25, now is 26 little bit. So this digital one we have to take that. So this is the two way which we can measure the IPD. Okay, for progressive lenses we have to measure both together, and for the single near and distant we have to measure for the progressive. For monofocal you can measure only for the distant. Okay, now we'll come the point in that we how to measure the height of the progressive lens. Okay, open this, hold this, join with the link. Okay, so this is the frame. Before making putting in the patient face, we have to see that this frame is aligned properly or not. Like this way we have to see both the side. You have to see if suppose somewhere it is like misaligned, like this is misaligned, you have to align first properly, and if both the side is not moving, then we have to take this okay, this is proper set. Now here, now we have to put it here. What you can see, we have to check here the patient fitting is correct or not. Okay, we'll ask patient only to wear this glass. Okay, just put this one, put that. We'll ask patient only to fix in the glasses. Okay, so according to their comfort, let her put that. Okay, so this is the way she is using that. So she's comfortable or not, we have to check that, whether this is loose or not, we have to check. And once after making tight, we have to make it that. Before that, what we have to do, hold this. That one. Just so here. Okay. So her you just focus here. Touch screen in between. Okay, not like that, not like that, like this only. Okay, because it is in live now. Like just touch in between. Okay, hold this here. Yeah. What you can see, this number here, no, in this particular scale, this number is there. Her right eye PD was 26.5. So you can see here, this is 25 and this is 26.5. This line, okay. Right side, left side was 31. Okay. So I'm just marking at 31. You might see little different in the mobile because of the angle. Okay, so this is the 31 PD, and we have to make here now straight line. This over here. One straight line you have to put here. Okay, so this is her PD actually. Okay, now we are going to measure the height. Okay, this is her PD. Just put in, we'll reconfirm it. Okay, your phone torchlight. Now you just see that which I'm marking, no, the line is really aligning. You can see the right side really aligning with that normal. Okay, and when I move to this side, it is properly aligned. Maybe video is seeing the right is aligned, left is not aligned, but when you see from the straight here, is both the eyes aligned here. Okay, so this is the PD marking we have done. Now we have to do the vertical height measurement. Okay, for vertical height measurement, we have to take the vertical height scale. Okay, this just so here I'll just explain that. This is the vertical height scale here. Okay, this one we have to fix it here. Okay, now what we have to see here, what you can see, just put the light also, extra light, torch from down, you put down. Okay, you will look straight. Patient should look straight to your forehead, and you can see this particular line. No, you can see here it is movable. No, what you can see here. Okay, so that one we have to align to the pupil center. Okay, this white portion which you have to align to the pupil center. You can just see here. Slowly you have to move with this particular knob, like you can see up and down here, and till that you have to align that which will reach to the pupil center. Okay, now from this side you have to put the torch. Okay, now it is fine. To reach in the pupil center, you can see we have to keep growing that. So left I have aligned that. Can you see that? Everyone can see left is aligned. Okay, now we have to do same thing for the right side. Ask patient to sit the straight, and you also have to sit in the parallel height. Okay, to avoid the parallax errors. Okay, so you can see this is very much down now. This line is here down. We have to increase slowly. Open both ears, look straight. Okay, so this also aligned. Okay, now I'll just mark it. Okay, just hold this like this. Now we have to take like this. Okay, come. Just 1 second. Now so here. Okay, so here, see this. Now this line nothing but what we will do, we'll just put a marker here. Okay, one plus cross we have to make. Okay, like this cross, and we'll just remove this. Take the scale.
YouTube.
And make it one particular line. Okay, for both the eyes. Okay, so this centration we have got it from the patient height. Actually, this is called the vertical height. We have taken the classes earlier. You all remember that, no? We have to take the PD and segment height. So this is the segment height. This is the way, because you're seeing in the video might be not exactly looking that, but when we are seeing from here, it exactly matching. Okay, so now again just cross verify before go for that. Anything wanted to change, you can just change it. You can just see that patient has to wear this properly. You can see this eye, this particular cross is matching with the her pupil reflex. You can see that. Okay, and now when I just look straight, now you can just see here, because of the reflex it is not properly, but you can see this particular cross is matching with the pupil center. Okay, got it now? So this is the one way which we have to do that segment height. Okay, other way what we have to do, other way we have to put the torch light on her forehead and just put the dot like this, directly dot on the center of the pupil. Okay, that we can directly can just put that, and then you can mark like the same way. Third, what we have to do next, whichever design you are taking, design you are taking means like company wise, like SLR you are taking, Kodak you are taking, Nikon you are taking, anything, we have to fix it here. Okay, this particular, just focus here properly. Okay, this particular cross which we have marked here, this plus cross, we will just put it here in the center of this plus. Okay, you can see that, and we'll make sure that whether this particular patient reading area is sufficient or not. What you can just put this straight like this. Okay, straight like this. Okay, this reading area is sufficient or not. You can see that distant area also is sufficient, near is there, everything is fine. So that means this particular patient, for this particular progressive design, for this particular size of frame is fine. Understand now? Now we'll check the left side. Again same thing. This particular cross is plus point is important. That plus we have to coincide with that marker. Okay, what you can see here, the cross is matching. You can see that near is coinciding here. That means the depth is enough, frame depth is enough here. So this way we have to complete the measurement. Now what is the segment height of the patient? So what you have to do, from the bottom of the frame you have to put here is 0. You can see that around it is coming 23 mm. Height is 23 mm. Okay, and distant portion is remaining is the 10 mm. Okay, when I took the classes I told 9 to 10 mm minimum required for the distance, and the segment height is required minimum 18 mm to give the proper sufficient depth. Okay, So this is the way we have to take that. Okay, and here also what you can see now, when you measure this plus point to down, what you can see exactly what you are able to see here, this down not this is the 20. Okay, up to this 20, this line is 18. You remember, you can see that this is frame size is 25, this frame size is 20, this line is 18. Got it? So minimum requirement for regular progressive lens is 18 mm. Okay, yes, but if you wanted to get this, if you're getting like 17 16, it will cut little bit, though patient will able to see, but it will cut little bit. Okay, to make sure that all the reading area is there for particular design, we have to, after taking measurement, we have to put it here. Okay, and another point, whenever you find GP problem, okay, whenever you're finding GP problem, what you have to do, all progressive lenses, one circle will be there like this. Okay, that you have to put it here, mark that, and when you mark here like this, no, then you, if this marker is there, example, I'll just take this one, this plus is there, no, this marker will be there, this plus, this dot. Okay, this dot you have to take with the logo of the progressive lens, the dot, and once you mark that, you have to put it here and see whether that is all fixing, then get the plus point here, distant reference point, and the near area is sufficient or not. And another thing what you have to see, once you mark this after GP problem, no, you have to see this 2 dot is there, no, like example, I'll put it here for the reference actually, 1 second, this 2 dot, whether that is straight, a little bend, whenever GP problem come. Okay, these two lines are little bit down like here, like this, rotated, or upside, frame is rotated this side, lens rotated this side. Yeah, this is straight. Suppose this is straight, means no need to worry about that, frame has fitted properly. Okay, and whenever you're finding like this bend here, you can see the straight here, little bit up and down, that means immediately you understand that that particular eye have the problem, they will be finding the difficulties. Okay, and another point, whenever you find that, no, this line, this dot and this dot is equal or not, you have to see. If one of the thing above up and down is there, means that means the fitting height of one of the eyes is not correct. Okay, so that is only I wanted to explain that. Okay, so hope everything is clear for all peoples. Okay, any doubt under, please ask me. Okay, in the, you can exit this YouTube now, you will come in the class for the question and answer. Okay, thank you.